Hello, grade 6, and welcome back. This is the fourth math session in our lesson, which is adjacent angles and vertically opposite angles. Before we start, let me review how to draw or construct an angle. Take an example. Construct an angle CAB equal to 80 degree. How to construct an angle? We said that to construct an angle, we have to use a protractor. Starting with the first step, we draw CAB, we draw the semi-line AB with vertex A because the vertex in the middle. Then we use put the protractor in a straight way on the semi-line AB. Put the vertex on the T shape, okay? And put the 0 on the semi-straight line, which is AB, okay? Then you start counting from the 0. What is the measure of the angle? It's 80. So we start counting from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. And we can mark the angle. Put a mark on the 80 degree because CAB is equal to 80 degree. We put a point, then we use the ruler. Bring your ruler and draw the semi-line, which is called AS. Okay, AS. This is the another side of the angle CAB of vertex A. Now this is angle CAB of vertex A and of measure is equal to 80 degree. CAB is equal to 80 degree. Now let's correct the homework. You have already given a homework to construct these 4 angles. You have to draw the following angles and complete with the vertex and the kind of each angle. Starting with the first angle, which is XSC of measure equal to 75 degree. We draw this angle using the protractor. And now, what is the vertex of this angle? Pay attention. First, the measure of this angle starting from the right, 0 till 75 degree. The vertex is S and the kind of this angle is acute angle. Okay, the second one, angle CAT of measure equals 60 degree. We draw A is the vertex. TAC or CAT is equal to 60 degrees, starting from the right, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. So the vertex is A and the kind of this angle is acute angle. Okay, now angle WGY equal 140 degree. I draw this angle from the left, so I use the 0 to the left and I count till I reach 140 degree and put the vertex G in the middle. The vertex of this angle is G and the kind is obtuse angle. The last one is SUN of measure 110 degree, starting from the right, 0 till 110 degree. The vertex is U and the kind of this angle is obtuse angle. Now we want to continue the lesson with a new objective, which is to identify adjacent angles. First, let's remember how to name the following angles. The first one is MPN. MP or PM is the side of the first angle, semi-line, and the other one is PN. So, how to name this angle? It is MPN of vertex P. Let's repeat it. It's angle MPN. N or NPM. Now look at the second figure. We have two angles, 2 and 3. Angle 2 of vertex O, the sides are OA and OB. So we call it angle AOB of vertex O. Angle 3, it has vertex O and sides OB and OC. So the angle is BOC or COB. Now, adjacent angles. Given the following figures, figure 1, 2, and 3. RQS and SQT are adjacent angles. These two angles are adjacent. Now look here. WOX and YOZ are not adjacent angles. This one, FEG and EGH are also not adjacent angles. So what do you conclude? What are the adjacent angles? Okay, let's give a definition. These two angles are adjacent. KNL and LNM are adjacent angles. 1, they have common vertex, which is N, or same vertex. 2, they have common side, NL. Okay, the common side is NL and their common side lies between the two angles. Okay, مثل الصفوف يلي هن حد بعض بيكون عندهم حيط مشترك لازقين ببعض. Whole angles are adjacent, عندهم same vertex, same side, and their common side lies between the two angles. Now let's look again at these figures, figure 1, 2, and 3. The first one are adjacent angles. RQS and SQT are adjacent angles. They have the same vertex, which is Q. They have common side QS. Look here, QS and SQ, they are the same, common side, and the common side lies between the two angles. It's between the two angles. The second angle, angles WOX and YOZ are not adjacent. They have a common vertex, which is O, but they don't have a common side. Okay, they are not adjacent, no common side. The last one, FEG and EGH are not adjacent. Why? Because there is no common vertex. The first one is E and the second one is G. So they are not adjacent because we need a common vertex and a common side, and their common side must be between the two angles. And by this one, this is the end of session 4. Thank you for watching and goodbye.